those people that love nail art as much as I do. You just are a sneak peek of me and also of the nails we're going to do, but you won't see me through the whole video because I make lots of goofy faces and you don't need to look at my goofy faces. Today we're creating a set of nail art with gel polish. These are glass neon gel polishes, which I happen to really like. They're by Markartt, I believe is how it's pronounced, but I could be wrong. It could be Markartt. I don't know. But anyway, I love them. I linked them. I enjoy a lot of the products they put out. I don't use them necessarily as a staple at the salon, but occasionally they do come out with something that really tickles my fancy, such as these glass paints, which I got last year. I believe it was last year. Might have been 2 years ago. Which were neon. They're very appropriate for what we're doing. This is a quick set, super easy, super fun, gives a lot of bang for your buck, and your clients will love it. My clients love it. You can stamp on top of this with just about anything you can dream up. You can also embed glitter in these. There's just endless possibilities for these gel paints, or gel polishes, I should say. Sorry, not paints, polishes. I am using a Maniology plate. It is one of their new spiral plates. I honestly do not remember the actual plate number off the top of my head, but I'm quite sure you could find it pretty easily. I love that these are swirly and almost have a little animal-esque print to them. Whoops, knocking things over, depending on which one you're looking at. This set took me probably about 15 minutes total to do, and then about another 10 minutes to put all the rhinestones on. You don't have to do this with rhinestones. If you have a client that doesn't enjoy that three-dimensional raised kind of feeling on their nails, you could certainly just do it with a little bit of glitter daubing, just taking your daughter and putting some glitter in place of the rhinestones for a flatter look. But I will be doing these with a three-dimensional rhinestone. They are very tiny. I did pick them up a long time ago because I've been doing nail art for longer than I care to admit. But you can get them just about anywhere. I know there are some great crystal places out there. I think that Natalie Mudbridge often uses Crystal Nail Fix, I think is what it is, or something like that. I usually get mine just at the beauty supply shop or order them online through Amazon, things like that. The smaller ones work better on nails, so you just have to be very careful about the size that you order. I'm not going to go too much into the stamping that I used. I think we've all stamped to death as far as like tutorials and stuff go. But I did use Crystal Gel Fix for these because in this particular case, I would want my client to be able to wear them for a long period of time. I don't always use Crystal Nail Fix glue to put my rhinestones on, but it is something that I see pretty commonly these days. When I was first trained, we honestly used a lot of nail glue, just regular straight nail glue. So I tried that for this. That was, of course, many years before gel polish was even around. So they have new, better things. So I'm all about that. So I did use the Crystal Fix to put the gemstones on. It does take a couple extra seconds and is an extra step, but not really such a big deal. I used multicolored rhinestones on top because I wanted to tie all of the nails together somehow. I didn't want them to just seem like a rainbow set that didn't really flow together. So I used the stamping to bring some of that together, and then I'm also using these colored rhinestones. So you'll see like the green one that I did has some pink on it. The orange one has a purple rhinestone, which you can't really see so well on the video. The blue one also has some pink and orange on it. So each of these has 2 to 4 or 5 rhinestones depending on the size of the nail. Obviously, the smaller the nail, the less I did. And what I did was just kind of nestled those into areas that looked like they naturally belonged there. We're going to top this off with the Express 5 Shellac C&D top coat. That is Creative Nail Design for anybody that doesn't know. I am a huge fan of creative nail design. I have been a nail design pro, try that again, C&D pro, off and on over the years. I don't currently have my certification, but I certainly could go back and get it again. You have to renew it every so often. They have really good products. I enjoy their products quite a bit. They actually just came out with a beautiful spring color collection, which I ordered and am desperately waiting for now, so I can play with some more nail sets. The nice thing about them is that they do create most of their gel polishes in polish as well, so you can double up. This is our completed scent. I did do it in glossy, obviously, to give it some extra pop. I love these. I adore them. I can't wait to wear them on myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the sneak peek and have a great afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you are in your world. See you soon.